Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is,
What was the main theme of the Island of Doctor Moreau by H.G. Wells? A. A class struggle between haves and have-nots. B. The lack of ethics in dissection and animal testing. C. Apathy and lack of communication in society. D. The lack of empathy towards the sick and diseased. The answer of the question is B. The lack of ethics and dissection in and animal testing. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And the next question. Bye bye.